Hello everyone. I hope you are having a great weekend. In this video, I'm talking to you about the products that are half gone or almost all the way gone, finished, that I will be purchasing again and won't be purchasing again. So, first is this is Maybelline Masterfix. Wear boosting setting spray, and there's a whole list of things it does. And lightweight translucent mist extends where it keeps, just apply makeup fresh, help prevents makeup melting and color fading. This is 3.4 fluid ounces, and I sprayed this, and the foundation I was wearing melted off my forehead. And no, I won't be repurchasing this. This is almost gone. So, I don't have anything, um, good to say about this one, personally. So, this is out. Then, the next product, Wet n Wild Photo Focus Fine Matte. And this is 1.52 fluid ounces. And there's it says all day wear. That's it. This, I did use it and it did set. There's no claims on or anything, just that it sets. But it took a long time to set. So I forgot about it after a while. And sometime during the day, I felt my face and it was finally set, but I don't know when that happened. So, in my opinion, for myself, I will not be buying this again. So this one's out. Then, this Wet n Wild Multicolor Color Icon Multi-Stick. This, the concept for this is a good one. It's supposed to be dry to a powder finish, which never did with me. And I had the red, but it broke, so that is no longer. This did not ever dry. It didn't ever set. I had to use a powder shadow over the top of it. So once this is gone, I won't be repurchasing. But, and I'll show you what this looks like if you decide you want to try it. But this is iridescent. It's really pretty. Wet n Wild. If you come out again something similar and it works, I will buy. So, but I will not be repurchasing these. All right. Next. This is Milani Stay Put Waterproof Liner. This is a pencil, and it's a very creamy liner. So creamy that when you line, the product comes off on your lashes. I don't like that. It is waterproof. It does stay. It doesn't transfer. It does what it says. But I didn't like that it came off on my lashes. So once this is gone, I will not be repurchasing. But it does do what it says. So if you don't mind that, you'll like this. Then this Aqua Smooth, and this is a natural ivory. The shape of this compact is awkward. I did not like that. It has been well used and it's almost gone. You know, I've used it, well, you can see a lot. It's okay. It does dry to a set to a powder finish, and it's okay. But I probably won't be repurchasing this one either. There are other foundations I have that I like better. So, yeah, so this one's out. But it's all right. Okay, now, next is Cheekers, CoverGirl Cheekers. And this is in Plum. And as you can see, I have used this a lot. This is what it looks like. It's a really, really pretty plum color. And it has really, really, really microfine, tiny miniature glitters. And it is so pretty. That with highlighter, it's really awesome. I will be repurchasing this. This is a very good blush. Then, this is Maybelline Master Precise Ink. This is a liquid. I use it like an eye color. You shake it. You shake it like so. And then this is what it looks like. I like this so much. This does not transfer at all. It sets exactly where you put it. I like it. So pretty. This is violet. There are several different colors. This is violet. It's a very good liner in my opinion. And I will be buying it again. Then this Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. And it's a moisturizer and primer. This works so well. It's almost half. I like this so much. It creates a smooth canvas, and it removes pores. I like it very much. So I will be getting this again. This works very well, and it's very liquidy. I'll show you. It's liquidy, and this is the way it applies. It's really watery and liquidy. I like it, but it sets very quick. It goes on like a liquidy moisturizer, and then it sets quickly. So you have to work fast. But I will be getting this again. All right. Next is Milani Stay Matte 17-hour wear liquid liner. This is it's liquid, but it's very liquidy. So I have to dab before this is what it looks like. And it's really great. I like it. Here, I'll put this right here. It's waterproof. Look at that. Look at that black. It's so pretty. And it stays. It does exactly what it says. And it's waterproof. It doesn't budge. And you have to scrub to take it off. I like it very much. I will be repurchasing this as well. Then, Milani eyeshadow primer. This sets in 30 seconds. This is what it looks like. It is a taupe in color, and it goes on like, that's the way it goes on. And then it's clear, it dries clear. And it really does make your shadows and whatever you're wearing vibrant, and it lasts all day, longer than that. It's very good. I like it. So yes, I will be buying more of this. Then CoverGirl True Blend Base Business. This is pore minimizing, and it does. And it mattifies, creates a perfect canvas for foundation, long lasting and weightless. It does all that. And this is what it looks like. It is purple. And it does kind of go on, kind of like a moisturizer. Smells like one too. And then it sets. It does close pores. You can't see them. It works. It does what it says. I like it very much. I use it all the time. And I will be buying more of this. Then True Blend, CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made. This is almost gone. This is Nail 70, which is natural hybrid. This is almost, this is the bottom. There's just a little bit. Actually, CoverGirl, if you made this a little longer, just a little, it's already at an angle. If you made it just a little bit longer, it could pump up just the rest. See, there's just a little bit at the bottom in there. It could reach all that. That would be really helpful. All right, so where the primer was, I already swatched this. It's dry now. I'll show you what it looks like wet. This is what it looks like wet. That's just what, this is just swatch and look at this. See that? Look at that, no transfer at all. It goes on, blends right in easily, sets like Fit Me Matte and Poreless, no transfer. I apply this, use it and spray, and I'm done. So that is that. And look at that, it's thick. I like it, but it goes in easy. It's a great foundation. I really like it. All right. Then this is Color Stay Full Cover 24 hour. This is an awesome foundation. I like it. This goes on. It melts into the skin quickly. It sets. It's been a little bit tacky for me after. So I do use a little powder for this. But it sets, the set is natural and it looks really good. It blends well. I like it very much. This is Bub. Okay, so I like that foundation very much. Then this is Smashbox Primer Water. You can use this as a primer or as a setting spray. I've done both. And as you can see, I like it very much. I use it a lot. And it's a very good setting spray. Very good setting spray. It sets makeup almost immediately. And it's a very good primer as well. I like it. It smells like water when you spray it. It's really good for you. And on the vlog, my vlog, I have videos from Smashbox, your channel, talking about Smashbox, their primer water, so you might check that out. This is it's a great setting spray, and it's also a great primer. I like it. I'm getting more, but I'm getting the full bottle. Okay, so I think that is all of my product that I'm not purchasing and that I'm repurchasing again. I think that's all of it, people. So, look at that, how great that is. See, it's still it's still tacky. Let me try this. Yeah, you need to use a little bit of powder with it. But this, it sets when it's done. See, it's just set. It's great. Like it. All right, everybody. Like, subscribe, and click the notify. You all have a great weekend. And I will see you in the next video, everybody.